Craft Lake City, we are builders. Whether it's building an event, building relationships, or building community, we love seeing what a little hard work and a lot of love can create. From setting up to tearing down, painting faces to hanging banners, volunteers set the stage for the magic our DIY festival creates every year. Sign up to volunteer today and help us build the biggest and best festival yet. We are builders. We are dreamers. We are Craft Lake City.